Welcome back to Hidden Wisdom Academy Biology. In this lecture, we start Part 8 of Morphology of Flowering Plants on the fruit. We will learn about the structure of fruits, the main types, simple, aggregate, and multiple, the difference between dry and fleshy fruits, and the important examples often asked in exams. This topic is easy to understand and very scoring if you remember the examples well. So, let's get started. This slide shows the syllabus and PYQ topics with years, so you know what to expect in the exam. Let's start with structure of the fruit. A fruit is a mature ovary formed after fertilization. Its wall is called the pericarp, which has 3 layers: epicarp, outer, mesocarp, middle, usually fleshy, and endocarp, inner, hard or papery. Based on the pericarp, fruits can be dry or fleshy. Let's talk about types of fruits. Fruits are of 3 main types. Simple fruits develop from one ovary of a single flower, like mango, tomato, pea, and gram. Aggregate fruits develop from many ovaries of a single flower, such as strawberry and raspberry. Multiple fruits develop from the ovaries of many flowers in an inflorescence, like pineapple and ficus. Remember these examples for NEET. Now, let's compare dry and fleshy fruits. Fruits are dry or fleshy based on the pericarp. Dry fruits have a hard or papery pericarp, like pea, gram, and castor. Fleshy fruits have a soft, juicy pericarp, like mango, tomato, and guava. In dry fruits, seeds are not juicy and disperse by wind, animals, or mechanically. In fleshy fruits, seeds are surrounded by juicy tissue and mainly disperse through animals or water. Remember these differences, it's important. Let's talk about fruit modifications. Some fruits have special modifications. Accessory fruits develop from other flower parts too, like apple and strawberry. Parthenocarpic fruits form without fertilization, like banana and grapes. Dry fruits can be dehiscent, which split open to release seeds, like pea and mustard, or indehiscent, which do not split, like castor and sunflower. Remember these modifications, this is often asked in exams. Let's quickly summarize what we learned about fruits. Fruits develop from the ovary, and the pericarp has 3 layers: epicarp, mesocarp, and endocarp. Major types are simple, like mango and pea; aggregate, like strawberry; and multiple, like pineapple. Fruits can be dry or fleshy. Important modifications include accessory fruits like apple, parthenocarpic fruits like banana, dehiscent dry fruits like pea, and indehiscent dry fruits like castor. Let's practice few questions to test your knowledge. Let's start with question 1. A fruit that develops without fertilization is called. Option A. Aggregate fruit. Option B. Parthenocarpic fruit. Option C. Multiple fruit. Option D. Accessory fruit. Explanation. The correct answer is parthenocarpic fruit. These develop without fertilization, like banana and grapes. Aggregate fruits come from many ovaries of one flower. Multiple fruits form from many flowers together. Accessory fruits include extra floral parts along with the ovary. So those options are incorrect. So, option B is the correct answer, that is parthenocarpic fruit. Now, let's move to question 2. Which of the following is a dry indehiscent fruit? Option A. Pea. Option B. Mustard. Option C. Castor. Option D. Mango. Explanation. The correct answer is castor because it matures without splitting open. On the other hand, pea and mustard are dry dehiscent fruits, which means they split to release seeds, and mango is a fleshy fruit, not dry, so those options are wrong. So, option C is the correct answer, that is castor. That's all for today's lecture on fruits. We learned about simple, aggregate, multiple, and parthenocarpic fruits with practice questions. Next, we will start plant families, an important and scoring topic, in Part 1, Malvaceae and Cruciferae. Direct questions from these families every year, so don't miss it. Stay tuned, subscribe to Hidden Wisdom Academy Biology, and also check our daily NEET MCQs and PYQs series and biology podcast. The playlists links are in the description and cards above. See you in the next lecture.